This is demo video 7. In this video, we will explore and test the application as a teacher. So we will explore the level information now, and we will explore questions. We will check answers and submit reviews as a teacher. We will observe models and level based information. After submitting the reviews of answers, we will observe notifications in students' profile, and we will observe the notifications in teachers' profile or teachers' dashboard as well. So let's directly jump to the application. So we were here and we can see the teacher information here, and we can see the 4 modules: the module physics, the module mathematics, the module sports, and module coding. We can see there are 3 new answers submitted. So a teacher wants to go to this new answer submitted, and let's say teacher can see that there are 2 levels. In this level there are 2 new answers, in this level there is 1 new answer. Let's say teacher wants to check and review the answers in this particular level. Now we are at level physics matter, and we can say 1 new answer. Now teacher wants to see all the answers to this particular question, and here he can see all the answers. Here there is only 1 answer, and let's say teacher decides to submit the reviews. The reviews he has given, the rating is 5, the default 5 ratings and default good overall comments in the answer he has submitted. Now let's see how does it affect as notifications in students' profiles. Now we have gone to both of our students' profile. This student has not got any notification because that was not his answer, while this student has got 1 notification. We can click on this notification and see what has happened, and we can see that your answer in module physics level physics matter, the question has been reviewed by teacher. Let's say he decides to do the reroll. Now let's see how does it impact the overall stats from the teacher's profile. Now teacher can see there are only 2 new answers submitted. Earlier there were 3, now it is 2. The total answers are still 3. And what does happen to the home profile of the student? The student can see that his module physics, which he has explored, has now the average ratings of 5. Earlier it was 0 because he has not because no teacher has submitted his reviews or his ratings to any of his answer in this particular module. Now we will go back to teacher. Now let's say teacher wants to check and review the answers in module mathematics. He can go she can see that there is 1 level called level 1 fundamentals. She wants to see the question and answers unto this particular level, and we can see there are 2 questions. Let's say she decides to go to check the answer of the prime numbers question. So we are on the question prime numbers, and a student has answered this question with videos and some text information. Now let's say she decides to do the default ratings and reviews, and amazing, the answer has been turned to green. And let's see what has happened to the student's profile. This student has not got any notifications because that answer was not his. Now let's try to check this student's notifications. Yes, it was submitted by him, that's why he got 1 notification. Let's go to the notification section, and we can see the question prime numbers has been reviewed by teacher@gmail.com. He decides to do the reroll, and notification section becomes 0. Now we can go to the home page, and in the home page the student can see the average rating is 5 in module mathematics. So that's how the notifications will be sent to the students whenever any teacher will be checking any of the answer by any of the students. Whoever has submitted those answers, those get reviewed, and the notification will be sent to the app to the student's profile, and student can visit those notifications and can see what happens. Now let's try to log out from teacher and log in as an admin and try to create a new module and see how the notifications work. So we will log in as an admin now, and now the admin can see total 4 modules under his university. The module names are physics, maths, sports, and coding. Now let's say he decides to bring one more module to the university, and we say module bio. So as soon as he creates this module starts appearing into the module section of this university. We can see one more module here with the name module bio. And let's see what happens to the notification section of the student's profile. We will refresh the app. As soon as we refresh the app, both of those students got the notification. There is one notification here and there is one notification here. Let's see what happens in this notification. New module has been added in the university. The module name is module bio. The same is happening with the student as well. Both of them will read this notification and the count will become 0. Now let's see. Now let's try to go back to the teacher's profile. And we have logged in as teacher. And teacher have received the same notification as well that a new model has been